Hi guys, in this video we're picking up where we left off in section 3.3, and in this video we're going to go over what's called a mixture problem. So we're going to go over example 5 that's on page 171 called mixing fertilizers. So I'll read the problem. It says, Nature's Green Gardening Incorporated carries 2 brands of fertilizer containing nitrogen and water. Gentle Grow is 3% nitrogen and Sunsaver is 8% nitrogen. Nature's Green needs to combine the 2 types of solution into a 90-liter mixture that is 6% nitrogen. And it asks how much of each brand should be used. So I'm going to write out some of that stuff. Gentle Grow, so G has a 3% nitrogen concentration for G for Gentle Grow, and Sunsaver S has an 8% concentration. And then we want a mixture of G plus, I'll say like G plus S, G and S, a mixture of 6% nitrogen. So we ultimately want to combine these two somehow into a 90-liter mixture that is 6% nitrogen. That's the goal. So here's how we want to picture it. We'll let G be the number of liters of Gentle Grow. Liters of Gentle Grow. I guess I should capitalize these. Gentle Grow is proper noun. And S is the liters of Sunsaver. So we've identified some variables. We've written down the information from the problem. And now let's create a table. We haven't done this quite yet, but let's create a table to analyze what's going on. So this table's going to have a few rows in it and a few columns. So like this and this. Okay, so this one will be Gentle Grow here. This will be Sunsaver here. And then here's M for mixture. I'll just say mix. And then remember, we've got on the left side here, we'll have the number of liters. We have the percent of nitrogen. And we also have the amount of nitrogen. All right. So if you didn't know how to set up this table, that's fine. That's how mixture problems work. We have the volume, we have the concentration, and then we have the amount. Now let's see how everything is related here. Well, the first thing we know is that we're trying to create a 90 liter solution. That's a mixture, 90 liters mixture, right? Well, 90-liter mixture means that G plus S gives you 90. So G plus S we know is 90. So that's 90 for the mixture. That's the number of liters. We want a 6% solution there. We know it's 3% here, and we know that it's 8% here. And the amount coming from 3%, if you take a concentration, the percentage of nitrogen times the number of liters, you get the amount. You get the amount of nitrogen. So this is the amount of nitrogen, and it would multiply these two together, which would give you 0.03 G. And then you multiply these two together, you get 0.08 S. And now, remember, what does this mixture need to need to equal? Well, remember the mixture is the concentration times the volume. So the concentration times the volume in this case would be 0.06. That's the concentration times 90 liters. So 6% times 90, or 0.06 times 90, and this actually equals 5.4. So this is the amount of nitrogen, and the next thing we'll do is we will next get an equation from what we just said. So next, we'll focus on this bit. Well, we know that 0.03 G plus 0.08 S, that added together is going to be our amount, because this is the amount of the Gentle Grow, this is the amount of Sun Saver, and together it's going to give us a total amount of 5.4 liters of nitrogen. So this is nitrogen here, the amount of nitrogen. So again, this is just a system of two equations. So I will actually end the video here, and I'll let you guys work out the rest if you're interested or want the practice, or if you want to, or if you get stuck, you can also just check out the textbook and see their example. But I really just wanted to focus on setting up a mixture problem. We really utilize this table to give us equation 1 and equation 2 here, and then it's just the same as before, the same process for solving these. So these examples are going to be focused on how to set up these problems, not so much solving them, because solving them is what we focused on in the last set of videos in the last section. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.